Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. Literature review writing is one of the important part in writing a research paper. So in order to write a conference paper, so you can do an instant literature review using different types of AI templates. So whenever you are going for a journal writing or a review paper writing, you are in need to analyze your references very elaborately. So that is, you need a detailed literature review. So in order to analyze that reference paper in detail, so I am going to showcase you a template which will be very helpful for you to make a brief that is elaborated literature review. That will very helpful for you to make your literature review writing of your research paper, especially when you are making a journal paper writing or conference paper writing. So journal paper writing or your review paper writing, it will be very useful for you. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing using AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out ChatGPT for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop. And also the important thing is that I am going to make a live research paper writing using different AI tools. So don't forget to register this online workshop. Surely you will know more about the best AI tools available in the market, especially for your academic writing. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that LMS Researchsupport AI tool. So in this you will be having different AI templates, especially for research paper writing. So starting from summarizer, translator, grammar corrector, reference style converter, literature review, reference to content, explain the table, paraphrasing, generate MATLAB code, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF text, chatbot, plagiarism reducer. So these are the different options available in this AI tool. So here in this video we are going to discuss about this particular AI template called a detailed literature review. So just click on detailed literature review. So before that we have made a video regarding how to do an instant literature review using different templates. There are 5 literature review templates available in this AI tool in order to make your literature review writing very easy. So here this is the dashboard of this detailed literature review tool. So in this you will be asked to give the following details. So the first one is the title of the paper. So next abstract of the paper, next introduction part of the paper, and conclusion of the paper. The only thing is that you will be having your literature, that is reference paper with you. So you have to download your reference paper. For example, I am going to take this as my reference paper. So here this is the paper I have chosen. So first copy the title of the paper. So copy the title. So go to the dashboard of this template and paste the title here. So after that copy the abstract. So go to abstract. So you can copy the abstract here. Paste here. Next you can go for the introduction part of the paper. Probably the introduction part is the first section of the paper. So copy the introduction part. So after that add the conclusion of the paper. So here you can add the conclusion of the paper. So come to the last part of the paper. So after results you will be having conclusion. So copy that conclusion and paste here. So after adding all the details, all the particulars in this particular dashboard, so here title, abstract, introduction part and conclusion part. So and then just click on literature review. A detailed literature review on this particular paper will be generated here. So that itself is enough for us to analyze the paper very better. So here you can see that first one is the summary of the paper. So summary in the sense it will give the overall view of the paper, what the paper is all about. So the paper presents a novel, bidirectional, single phase 3-port converter. So and then you can see the proposed converter combines a dual active bridge and a matrix converter. So next the paper highlights the advantages of using multi-port converter. Next one is main findings of the paper. So what are the main findings of the paper, and also you can see what are the limitations associated with this paper. So by doing this kind of literature review, so if you want to make, for example, if you want to make a review paper, so please do this kind of literature review. So after that, so you can make a detailed table by comparing all the references very easily by using AI tool. So I will explain that in another video. So how to make a table by using this kind of literature review. So the important thing in this detailed literature review, you will be getting all the details instead of getting a common detail as like you will getting an instant literature review. So you will get a detailed analysis of the paper, so that will always brings out a better literature review in order to present your paper in any of the journal. So please do this kind of literature review in order to impress and in order to create a better literature review for your research paper writing. So this is all about this detailed literature review template. So you can go on and explore this detailed literature review template. So surely this detailed literature review template will give you a brief and also a elaborated content on this particular references you are going to use. So make use of this option and make your literature review part of your research paper very attractive and also very detailed.